Ready to dive into the ultimate fan experience and connect with your favorite artists like never before? Let's create your Weverse account. First things first, if you haven't already, download the Weverse app from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Just search for Weverse. Once downloaded, tap the open button to launch the app. You'll be greeted with a language selection screen. Choose your preferred language. This will be the language used throughout the app. Next, you'll see the login or sign up options. Since we're creating a new account, tap on the sign up button. Now, enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure it's an email address you have access to, as you'll need to verify it later. Then, create a strong password. We recommend using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. You'll then be prompted to enter some personal information, including your username, your full name, and your date of birth. Your username is how you'll be identified within the Weverse community, so choose something you like. Make sure the rest of the information is accurate too. Take a moment to read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them. You can also choose to receive optional notifications and emails from Weverse. Almost there. Weverse will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your inbox, including your spam folder, and enter the code on the verification screen. And that's it. You've successfully created your Weverse account. Now you can select your favorite artists to follow and start exploring the Weverse community. Congratulations! You are now part of Weverse. Start connecting with your favorite artists and fellow fans today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Weverse tutorials. Happy Weversing!